Okay, last lecture we covered characteristics of cubic unit cell. In that characteristics, first number of atoms per unit cell for SC. Here we'll divide SC simple cubic, SC, BCC, BCC and FCC. SC, BCC and FCC. SC, BCC and FCC. Here first number of atoms per unit cell means value of N. N for SC, any one. Number of atoms per किती?
SC1,
SC1,
BCC2 and
Two.
four,
FCC 4.
FCC4.
FCC4.
SC1,
Then second is atomic radius R.
FCC4.
Okay. Definition of atomic radius, any one. I will tell the number, roll number I will tell. Gadge, roll number 20. Akshay Gadge. Definition of atomic radius R. What is atomic radius? What is definition of atomic radius? Gadge. 26 Kumbar, Namrata Kumbar. कौन सांगता है?
Sir, atomic radius is the half the distance between the nearest neighbors in the crystal of pure element.
Half the distance between the nearest neighbors of a crystal of a pure element is called as atomic radius. What is the value of R for SC?
A by 2.
A by 2. Okay. A by 2. R is equal to here A by 2. A by 2. And for BCC?
Root 3
by 4 into A.
Root 3 by
4 into
A. And for FCC, R is equal
A upon 2 root 2.
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 2 root 2.
2 root 2. Okay. Then APF, atomic packing factor. Everyone please prepare this table. It is required for solving the MCQs, multiple choice questions. Okay, APF, atomic packing factor. What is definition of APF? I will tell the number, roll number. Pragati Gove, roll number 7. Gove. Definition of APF.
It is defined as a ratio of volume of atom within the unit cell to the total volume of unit cell.
Okay, volume of atoms in unit cell to the total volume of unit cell. Okay, what is the APF for SC?
0.52.
0.52. Okay, what is the APF for BCC?
0.68.
0.68. And I will tell number last 13 number Babar Anuradha. What is the APF for FCC? Babar Anuradha Babar. Atomic packing factor for FCC. Center.
Can I, sir?
संदीप का ठीक है ओके
0.74 sir.
0.74. Okay, 0.74. Then a wide space. Wide space. Yeah, I will tell numbers. Don't. Okay. 35. Row number 35. What is wide space and what are the values of wide space for SC, BCC and FCC? Row number 35. Shahabad.
The word space in the unit cell is unutilized in the cell.
Okay, vacant space left
For SC
unutilized.
is word space.
SC कितने हैं?
48%.
0 point. What is wide space for SC? कौन सांगता है?
48%.
48%. I will write here percentage symbol here only. For BCC
32%.
32%, sir.
32%. And for FCC
26%.
26%.
Okay. Then after white space, density rho. Rho for SC simple cubic. Here rho is equal to
N up
n. N
N
is
M upon N A cube.
capital N into A cube.
A cube.
Okay. Rho is equal to here
1 M upon capital N upon a
1 m upon capital N into
capital N into
A
a
cube.
N
Here-
A cube.
Okay. Rho is equal to
2m
2m
upon capital A upon A cube.
2m upon n a
N
cube.
into A cube. And here rho is equal to
4m
4m
upon
upon
capital N
n a
into
cube.
a cube.
4 m upon capital N into A cube.
A cube.
Okay. Then next part is
Coordination number.
coordination
Coordination
number.
number.
Coordination number. किती समजा coordination number? CN. Coordination number for SC.
6.
2.
SC.
6.
6.
2 कोण म्हटलं हो? SC 6. Definition of coordination number. Roll number 32. Patil. Definition of coordination number. Nishita Patil. 32. Unmute yourself. नो म्हणून तर सांगा कमीत कमी आहेत का बघू द्या मला लेक्चरला तर. रोल नंबर 32. I will write absent. Otherwise those are not responding, I will write absent. Then CC will call you, class coordinator. He will make phone call to your parents. पटकन कौन है? निशिता पाटिल 32.
Yes, sir.
Please, what is coordination? Definition of coordination number.
Uh, molecule surrounded by atoms. Number of atoms. It is coordination number.
Okay, what is coordination number for SC? Simple cubic.
Simple cubic 1.
1.
6. Sorry, 6.
And BCC.
BCC. I don't know, sir.
Don't know. ठीक है. Any other? Pooja.
8 sir, 8.
8. And
And
FCC?
FCC 12.
12.
12.
12.
Okay. This is the table. This table is required for solving the numericals. Okay. SC, BCC, number of atoms, then atomic radius, atomic packing factor, wide space, density, and coordination number. Okay. Then next article, write it symmetry elements or symmetry operation.
Sir, coordination number of
FCC.
FCC
राहिले
राहिले.
का? ठीक आहे. ओके वेलकम. ओके राइट इट फॉर FCC. राइट FCC. For FCC, face centered cubic. Face centered cubic. Draw figure for FCC. FCC. Draw cube first and show 8 of corner atoms and 6 atoms placed at the center of the 6 spaces. First complete this figure first. FCC, face centered cubic. And anyone who will explain how it is 12. How it is 12? Coordination number is 12. Who will explain?
Can I, sir? For face centered, 4 atoms for 4 corner and 4 atoms for 6 atoms from 6 spaces.
Any other? Okay, first complete this figure. Here are 8 atoms placed at 8 corners and 6 atoms placed at the center of the 6 spaces. This is FCC, face centered cubic. Now we'll see here consider this corner atom. For this corner atom, consider 3 planes. पहिले प्लेन आहे ते हे ब्लॅक न दाखवलेलं आहे बघा, ब्लॅक बॉर्डरने. हे ब्लॅक बॉर्डरने 4 atoms in this plane. 1 2 3 4. हे these are the nearest neighbors. लक्षात येते का? अजून एकदा बघा, लक्ष द्या. 1 2 3 4. 4 are in this plane. This is horizontal plane. In this horizontal plane 4 atoms are there. In second vertical plane is this blue shaded. Okay, this is another second vertical plane. And 4 face centered atom in this plane. हे blue color चे 4 दाखवलेत बघा. 1 2 3 purple color चे 1 2 3 4. Okay, these are the 4 in this plane, this vertical plane. 4 nearest neighbors. And one more plane is remaining. Is a second vertical plane, that is a red border. This one. And these red atoms are there. 1 face centered atoms of this. 1 2 3 4. This total 4 are there. Total 12 atoms are there. Each corner atom is surrounded by 12 face centered atoms. 4 in the horizontal plane and 4 in this vertical plane, blue shaded line, and 4 in this red color vertical plane. This total 12 atoms are there. Therefore, coordination number for FCC for face centered cubic is equal to 12. अजून एकदा काउंट करू आपण. Okay, see here. Here this corner atom is considered. This corner atom. 4 in this plane. कुठल्या ह्या प्लेन मध्ये 1 2 3 आणि हे 4. हे ह्या प्लेन मध्ये झाले. हे कुठलं प्लेन आहे? हे हॉरिझॉन्टल प्लेन झालं आहे. बरोबर आहे. Then second plane, this plane is considered. This plane. In this plane 1 2 3 and 4 are there. 4 in this plane. And third more plane, this is third plane. Okay, this is the third plane. This red shaded. And in this plane, these red color atoms are there. 1 2 3 and 4. Like this, total 12 atoms are there. Means any corner atom, each corner atom is surrounded by 12 face centered atoms. Write it for FCC. First write it FCC. Here third point FCC. face centered. For any corner atom. There will be 4 face centered atoms. For any corner atom there will be 4 face centered atoms. 4 face centered atoms of the surrounding unit cells. For any corner atom there will be 4 face centered atoms of the surrounding unit cell in its own plane. Own plane means this horizontal plane is considered, this black line. In its own plane, comma 4 face centered atoms below this plane. 2 red and 2 purple below this plane. 4 face centered atoms below this plane. 2 red color and 2 purple color are there. 4 face centered atoms below this plane and 4 face centered atoms above this plane. Okay, this here also above this plane. These are the 2 purple color and 2 red color. Therefore, next line, therefore coordination number for FCC is equal to 12. Therefore, coordination number for face centered cubic is equal to 12. Coordination number for FCC is for face centered cubic is equal to 12. okay, over the red symmetry elements or symmetry operation, symmetry element or symmetry operation, symmetry element or symmetry operation. Anybody is having idea about symmetry operation? Anyone? Symmetry elements or symmetry operations. Listen please, I will give few examples. First, this cube is, there are three types of symmetry elements, symmetry operations: axis of symmetry, plane of symmetry, and center of symmetry. I'll give few examples of axis of symmetry. See this cubic crystal, and this cube is rotated about vertical axis passing through two opposite parallel faces. ही वरची face आणि खालची face. The cubic is there. दिसते का नाही? Okay, cubic. Vertical axis means this axis. इथून एक पास केलं, नाही दिसणार ना. ठीक आहे. इथून हे सेंटरची फेस आहे, सेंटर मधून सेंटर म्हणजे ह्या फेस मधून पास केला आणि पलीकडच्या, आणि ह्याच्या भोवतीच आपण रोटेट करणार आहोत. ओके, इथं दाखवलं ह्या फिगर मध्ये. क्यूब इज रोटेटेड अबाउट वर्टिकल ॲक्सिस पासिंग थ्रू सेंटर्स ऑफ द टू अपोजिट पॅरलल फेसेस. दिस पॉइंट, these 2 points are there here. Okay, this point, this is a center of this top surface and this is center of this bottom one. Okay, this axis is passing through these two and it is rotated about this axis. काय होणार आहे हो? After how many after rotation of how many degree it comes into self coincidence, म्हणजे सारखी पोझिशन मिळणार आहे. It is called as self coincidence position or similar position. आफ्टर रोटेशन थ्रू how many degree, किती अँगल मध्ये रोटेट केल्यानंतर इनिशियल पोझिशनला ते येणार आहे क्यूब. कोण सांगताय? हा क्यूब आहे. Okay, now this is the first position where I am rotating it now. Rotating after rotation through, this is another position. After rotation through how many degree? How many degree? कौन सांगता है? This is initial position. This axis is passing through centers of the two opposite parallel faces. खाली bottom आणि top इथून pass केलेला आहे. And we are rotating it. After rotation through how many degree? It comes into a initial position.
360 degree.
360 म्हणल्यानंतर पहिली पोझिशन आली. अशा सारख्या पोझिशन, जशी पहिली पोझिशन होती तशीच दुसरी पण इथं आली बघा. पुन्हा हे तिसरी आली, पुन्हा हे चौथी, म्हणजे पहिल्या पोझिशनला पहिल्या जागेला आलं. म्हणजे सारख्या पोझिशन्स किती मिळाल्या? 360 मधून रोटेट केल्यानंतर किती मिळाल्या? 4 मिळाल्या. 4 पोझिशन्स मिळाल्या. समजा सेकंड पोझिशन घेतली आपण. लक्षात येतं का मी काय म्हणतो ते? आफ्टर रोटेशन थ्रू 90 डिग्री इट कम्स इनटू अ पोझिशन आयडेंटिकल टू दी ओरिजिनल पोझिशन. If axis is passing through the centers of the two opposite parallel faces, if cube is rotated about this axis, after rotation through 90 degree, it comes into a position identical to the initial position. 90 मध्ये रोटेट केल्यानंतर ते इनिशियल पोझिशनला येतात. आता सेकंड फिगर, दिस फिगर. If cube is rotated about vertical axis passing through centers of the two opposite parallel edges. कोण सांगताय? दोन एज घेतल्या आपण, असं धरतो मी आता. हे हे असं पकडलं. ओके, एज, वरची एज आणि खालची एज. ओके, लक्षात येतं का? दिसतंय का सगळ्यांना? आर यू गेटिंग ऑर नॉट?
Yes, sir.
ओके, वी आर रोटेटिंग इट नाउ. हे इनिशियल पोझिशन आहे, बघून घ्या. दिस इज आयडेंटिकल टू इनिशियल ऑर नॉट? नाही ना?
Not.
Not. So this is identical.
Yes.
Yes.
180 degree.
किती डिग्रीतनं रोटेट करावं लागतं त्याला?
180 degree.
After rotating to 180 degree, it comes into position identical to the initial position. Okay. असे किती ऍक्सिस आहेत ह्या क्यूबला? 2 एज मधून पास होणारे, अपोजिट एजेस मधून पास होणारे असं दाखवलं मी. 2 अपोजिट एज मधून पास होणारे. How many axes are there?
2 axis, sir.
2 axis.
किती एजेस असतात क्यूबला? एजेस किती असतात क्यूबला? हाऊ मेनी एजेस? नंबर ऑफ एजेस फॉर द क्यूबिक क्रिस्टल?
12 सर.
12. म्हणजे किती ऍक्सिस येणार आहेत?
6.
किती ऍक्सिस येणार आहेत?
6.
ओके, दिस इज डायड ऍक्सिस. याला आपण डायड म्हणतो. पहिलं एक्झाम्पल आपण कशाचा घेतला होता? दिस वन, पासिंग थ्रू द सेंटर्स ऑफ द टू अपोजिट पॅरलल फेसेस. ठीक आहे, ह्या फेजचं एक्झाम्पल घेतलं होता, बरोबर आहे मी म्हणतो ते. वी आर रोटेटिंग इट. दिस इज इनिशियल पोझिशन जस्ट हिअर. Then this is the position identical to the initial first position. This is second one, position identical to the initial position. Then position identical to the initial position. A position identical to the initial position. How many such axes are there? असे किती ऍक्सिस आहेत, असे किती सिमेट्री ऑपरेशन्स आहेत, किती सिमेट्री एलिमेंट्स आहेत? 6 कसे? हाऊ 6?
त्यानंतर प्रत्येक फेस मधून जायला पाहिजे.
3 येतच.
3 येणार ना.
किती येणार? 3 येणार. किती फेसेस आहेत?
6 फेसेस.
6 फेसेस आहेत. अपोजिट 2 पॅरलल अपोजिट फेसेस म्हणजे किती येणार आहेत? हाऊ मेनी ऍक्सिस? 3 ऍक्सिस आर देयर. दिस इज सेकंड एक्झाम्पल ऑफ सिमेट्री ऑपरेशन. अँड थर्ड एक्झाम्पल देतो, हे अलॉंग बॉडी डायगोनल. हे 2 कॉर्नर घेतले आपण. हे आली इनिशियल, समजा बघून घ्या इनिशियल, बरोबर आहे. पासिंग थ्रू दी बॉडी डायगोनल, हा कॉर्नर आणि वरचा कॉर्नर. काय ठीक आहे. दिस इज इनिशियल. आय एम रोटेटिंग नाव. दिस इज फर्स्ट वन. सी दिस इज आयडेंटिकल टू इनिशियल आहे का? येस ऑर नो? एनीवन प्लीज? का दिसतच नाहीये कोणीतरी? आता बघा दिसतंय का नाही? मिनिमाइज करू का हे स्क्रीन?
म्यूट करावं लागतं तेव्हा दिसते सर.
काय करेल?
कोणीतरी बोलले की त्याचं दिसते स्क्रीन.
असं आहे का? कोण बोलू नका, सगळ्यांनी अनम्यूट करा. ठीक आहे, म्यूट करा सगळ्यांनी. ठीक आहे. दिस इज द इनिशियल पोझिशन, बरोबर आहे. पिन करा ना मला. ठीक आहे. हां, इनिशियल पोझिशन. ओके, वी आर रोटेटिंग इट नाव. दिस इज फर्स्ट वन. दिस इज द आयडेंटिकल टू इनिशियल, बरोबर आहे ना?
Yes.
Okay, this is then second. This is second position identical to initial. This is third position identical to the initial position, identical to the initial position. Okay, this is one of the symmetry operation. Which is symmetry operation is one that takes the crystal into a position identical to the initial position. त्याला आपण symmetry operation म्हणतो. Symmetry operation is one that takes the crystal into a configuration or into a position identical to the initial position. How many such axes are there? किती आहेत असे ऍक्सिस?
4 axes. 4 axes.
Why 4? Because
8 corners.
4 body diagonal.
8 corners.
8 corners or 4 body diagonals. आणि किती अँगल आहे हो आफ्टर रोटेशन थ्रू हाऊ मेनी डिग्री? 120 डिग्री. ओके, दिस इज 1 2 आणि 3 येतात. 3 येतात म्हणजे किती येणार आहे? 120 डिग्री. ओके, these are the symmetry operations. First we'll write definition of symmetry operation. Write it, definition of symmetry operation. A symmetry operation is one. A symmetry operation is one. Symmetry operation is one that takes the crystal. Symmetry operation is one that takes the crystal. Symmetry operation is one that takes the crystal into a configuration identical to the initial configuration. Symmetry operation is one that takes the crystal into a configuration identical to the initial configuration. Anyone who will read it? Read the definition.
A symmetry operation is one that takes the crystal into a configuration identical to the initial configuration.
Okay, then write it next. The main symmetry elements of crystalline solids are axis of symmetry, second plane of symmetry, and third center of symmetry. Axis of symmetry, plane of symmetry, and center of symmetry. Axis of symmetry, First, this is a axis of symmetry first. Second, plane of symmetry, and third, center of symmetry. Okay. Then write first axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry.
Correct me.
Axis of symmetry, plane of symmetry, and center of symmetry. Written?
Yes.
Okay. Then axis of symmetry. Listen please. Axis of symmetry म्हणजे एक line असते. It is a line. Okay. Here, see here. This is a line passing through. First example of axis of symmetry. It is a line passing through. कुठून पास होते हो? It is line passing through.
Center of two opposite face.
Okay, center of two opposite parallel faces. After rotation through how many degree? After rotation through
90 degree.
90 degree. It comes into a position. कुठली position? Identical to the initial position. Okay,
Initial position.
Okay, this is one example of आपल्याला definition तयार करायचे. Definition तयार करायचे म्हणजे आपण example बघतो इथं. This is the line passing through center of symmetry. Axis of symmetry means line आहे. एक word घेतला आहे ज्यातून आपण. So what is first is taken? Line is taken. For preparing the definition, it is a line. Okay. Here, axis of symmetry is a line. Okay. Then, after rotation through how many degree here? 90 degree. It comes into a congruent position. Here, it is a line. After rotation through how many degree? For this
180.
example,
180.
180 degree. It comes into which position? Congruent position.
Identical to the initial.
Identical to the initial position. And third example, it is also a line passing through along body diagonal. After rotation through how many degree?
120 degree.
20.
It comes into a position identical to the initial position. Means general definition of axis of symmetry. See here, it is a line about which crystal may be rotated such that after a definite angular rotation. Definite म्हणजे पहिल्या केस मध्ये how many degree? First example, how many degree? 90 degree. Second example, 180 degree.
180
Second.
degree.
Third example,
120 degree.
120 degree. Okay. An axis of symmetry is a line about which the crystal may be rotated such that after a definite angular rotation about this axis or about this line, the crystal comes into a congruent position. Congruent means position identical to the initial position. This position is called as congruent position. Right? Definition: an axis of symmetry. Definition of axis of symmetry. An axis of symmetry. I will ask anyone afterwards. He or she should read the definition. And if he is unable, he or she is unable, then I will put absent marks. Everyone, please write it. An axis of symmetry is a line. An axis of symmetry is a line about which. An axis of symmetry is a line about which the crystal may be rotated. The crystal may be rotated such that after a definite angular rotation, after a definite definite angular rotation about this axis, after a definite angular rotation about this axis, the crystal comes after a definite angular rotation about this axis, the crystal comes into a congruent position. Crystal comes into a congruent position. हे शब्द अवघड वाटत असेल तर पोझिशन आयडेंटिकल टू इनिशियल पोझिशन असं लिहिलं तरी चालेल. into a position identical to initial position किंवा comes into a congruent position. I will tell number, that number they will see, he or she should read the 44. Samarth, read the definition. Roll number 44. 44. 45, Nikita Pore. Pore Nikita.
Yes, sir.
Read the definition of symmetry, axis of symmetry. Read it.
An axis of symmetry is a line about which the crystal may be rotated such that after a definite angular rotation about this axis, the crystal comes into a congruent position.
Okay, this is definition of axis of symmetry. Roll number 44, once again, Samarth. Okay. CC will call you, CC will call your parents. Okay. Then next, there are three, right? It is found that there are three types of axis of symmetry. Right, next line, there are three types of axis of symmetry. Right, first, tetrad axis. There are three types of axis of symmetry. There are three types of axis of symmetry. Right, first, tetrad axis. B, dyad axis. Tetrad axis, dyad axis. And C, triad axis. Okay, first is tetrad axis, second is dyad axis, and third triad axis. Okay, triad axis. Then right, first is tetrad axis. Tetrad axis. Draw this figure for tetrad axis. Okay, dog cubic crystal. Show these two opposite parallel faces. A line passing through centers of the two opposite parallel faces. It is a tetrad axis. Okay, I will give explanation of only first type, that tetrad axis. Remaining type, two types you should write it. First complete the figure. Hmm. 62 Digvijay Shinde. Read this definition of tetrad axis. Roll number 62. Samarth 44 I had written now 44. Roll number 62 Digvijay Shinde. 62 once again I am repeating. Digvijay. 63 Pawan Shinde. Yes, no, kaitri reply.
Yes, sir.
Read it now.
A cube is rotated about
Who
vertical
is roll
axis.
number your?
63.
63,
Pawan Shinde.
Pawan,
A cube is rotated about vertical axis passing through the center of two opposite parallel faces. It is seen that in one complete rotation of 360 degree, there are found to be four positions of the cube which are identical with its original position. It is called the tetrad axis of symmetry. In
Okay.
each rotation of
No,
90
only
degree,
sufficient. First point only. Then first point once again I will explain. A cube is rotated about vertical axis passing through centers of the two opposite parallel faces. Here vertical axis passing through two opposite parallel faces. It is seen that one complete rotation of 360 degree. किती positions मिळतात आपल्याला? It is seen that one complete rotation of 360 degree we are getting how many positions? How many positions?
4 positions.
4 positions of the cube. Okay, 4 positions of the cube which are identical with its original position. That's why this axis is called as. We are getting 4 positions. That's why this axis is called as. We are getting 4 positions identical. That's why it is called as
tetrad
tetrad.
axis.
And this tetrad axis is passing through. कुठून pass होता है?
Centers of two opposite faces.
Center of two opposite
Parallel faces. Okay, in one complete rotation means how many degree? 360 degree. Okay, there are found to be how many positions? 4 positions. Okay, right definition. Figure is completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then write it. A cube is rotated. Right definition. A cube is rotated about. A cube is rotated about. Cube is rotated about vertical axis. cube is rotated about vertical axis passing through. Cube is rotated about vertical axis passing through the centers of two opposite parallel faces. Cube is rotated about vertical axis passing through the centers of two opposite parallel faces. It is seen that in one complete rotation of 360 degree, it is seen that in one complete rotation of 360 degree, one complete rotation of 360 degree, here write it degree, one complete rotation of 360 degree, there are found to be four positions. There are found to be four positions of the cube. Four positions of the cube which are identical. There are found to be four positions of the cube which are identical with its original position. With its original position, it is called tetrad axis of symmetry. It is called tetrad axis of symmetry. Tetrad axis of symmetry. Then roll number 66, Prasad. Read second point.
Yes, sir. In each rotation of 90 degrees brings the cube into its self-coincidence position.
Okay. In each rotation of 90 degree brings the cube into its self-coincidence
Hello?
position. Means after rotation through 90 degree, this cube comes into the self-coincidence position or position identical to its initial position, or this position is called as congruent position. Write it second point. In each rotation of 90 degree, in each rotation of 90 degree, in each rotation of 90 degree, brings the cube, in each rotation of 90 degree, brings the cube into its self-coincidence position. In each rotation of 90 degree, brings the cube into its self-coincidence position. Third point will read that 61 number, Anurag Shinde. Roll number 61, Anurag.
Yes, sir.
What is third point?
Number of tetraaxes are 3.
How 3? कैसे सांगणार? How explain it? Tetrad axis कुठून पास होता है? It is passing through. It is passing through.
Two opposite parallel faces.
How many faces are there for this cubic crystal?
6, sir.
6.
6 faces. Means how many axes?
And the pair of opposite
Three
parallel
axes.
faces are 3. Hence,
Okay.
number of tetrad axes are 3.
Okay. Number of tetrad axis is equal to 3. Okay. Because it is passing through centers of the two opposite parallel faces, and number of faces for the cubic crystal are 6. Means 3 sets are there. First set, second set, and third set is there. Okay. Then this is the tetrad axis. Okay. Tetrad axis highlights kudun pass hota है, passing through. Underline the word.
opposite
parallel faces. Okay. How many positions?
Opposite parallel forces.
4 positions, sir.
How many
4 positions.
Four positions. Angle.
Positions.
Okay. After rotation through how many degree?
360 degree.
Ita.
360.
In each rotation of how many degree?
90 degree.
And number of axis किती?
Number of
Three.
axes.
ओके. टेट्रॅड म्हटल्यानंतर 4 लिहायचं नाही. 4 काय आहे? टेट्रॅड काय म्हटलं तर 4 पोझिशन्स मिळतात म्हणून टेट्रॅड म्हटलंय. नंबर ऑफ ऍक्सेस किती आहेत त्याचे? 3 आहेत. हे इथं कन्फ्यूज होतंय बघा. एक्झाम मध्ये टेट्राइड म्हणले की पटकन 3 लिहून टाकते. नंबर ऑफ टेट्राइड ॲक्सिस इज इक्वल टू 3 म्हणतो आपण. ते कारण इथं टेट्राइड वर्ड आलाय म्हणून. टेट्राइड कशावरून आलाय हा टेट्राइड? 4 पोझिशन्स आयडेंटिकल टू दी
4 पोझिशन येतात.
4 positions identical to the initial position. That's why this tetrad axis is there. The number of axes are 3. Okay. Then second write it D point diad axis. Diad axis. Similar point लिहायचे. Explanation similar पाहिजे मला. Okay. Who will explain by referring this one? हेच रेफर करून मला सांगायचं. Diad axis. फिगर फक्त मी तुम्हाला दाखवतो. This is the figure passing through. कुठून पास होत आहे? हां. Diad axis
Centers of opposite
centers
edges.
of the two opposite parallel
अपोजिट एजेस.
Edges.
एजेस. ओके, इथे एक एज घेतली मी, थांबा. ही एज आहे. हा सेंटर झाला त्या एजचा. ठीक आहे. सेकंड इथून आला. हे सेंटर्स ऑफ द टू अपोजिट पॅरलल एजेस इथून पास केला. हा आहे कुठला ॲक्सिस येणार आहे हा? हां, डायड ॲक्सिस. डायड ॲक्सिस.
साइड ऍक्सिस.
डायड
साइड ऍक्सिस.
टू अपोजिट पॅरलल एजेस. कुठल्या कुठल्या एज घेतली? ही एक एज घेतली वरची, एक एक खालची घेतली एज. ही एज आहे. बरोबर आहे, ही एज आहे अशी. दुसरी एज कुठली घेतली आपण? ही घेतली एज. हे दोन्ही एजचा सेंटर. कोण सांगतात एक्सप्लेनेशन मला? मी ती पहिले पुढची स्क्रीन उघडत नाही. ह्याचा रेफरन्स घेऊन सांगायचं. पहिला पॉईंट, फर्स्ट पॉईंट. ओके, आय विल टेल द नत्तंबोळी 52 नंबर. फर्स्ट पॉईंट. Diad axis.
Cube is rotated about vertical axis, passing through the center of two parallel edges. It is seen one complete rotation is 360 degree. There are found to be two positions of cube which are identical with its original position.
It is called
as a diad axis of symmetry.
Correct. Second point.
And
एक minute. Another one. 53 number. संध्या. Roll number 53.
रिमोट जवळ घ्यायला लागते. मला विचारायचं म्हटलं.
हा, प्लीज. कोण आहे? म्यूट युअर सेल्फ. Hmm. 53 number. Roll number 53. Then Snehal Kore 24. Snehal Kore. Second
Yes,
point. Second point for diad axis. Second point for diad axis.
In each rotation of 180 degree.
त्यांना विचारलंय मी.
Each rotation of 180 degree brings the cube into its self coincidence position.
Okay, number of diad axis is equal to किती असणार आहे? How many diad axis are there? 6. Okay, write it now. B point. Draw this figure first. This is for diad axis. Draw this figure for diad axis. Diad axis. It is passing through centers of the two opposite parallel edges. हे जमत नसेल असे ड्रॉ करायला तर सिंपल मी इथं दाखवलंय बघा डायडचे फिगर. ड्रॉ द क्यूब फर्स्ट अँड शो दिस टू अपोजिट पॅरलल एजेस. नेक्स्ट इज पासिंग थ्रू दी टू अपोजिट पॅरलल एजेस. ड्रॉ दिस वन. असं जरी काढले तरी चालेल. हॅलो. हां, डायड ॲक्सिस. Okay, figure is over.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right
Yes, sir.
definition. A cube is rotated. Right definition. A cube is rotated about. Cube is rotated about vertical axis. Cube is rotated about vertical axis passing through. Cube is rotated about vertical axis passing through the centers of two opposite parallel edges. Centers of two opposite parallel edges. Two opposite parallel edges. Two opposite parallel edges. जिथे जिथे ज्या वर्ड्समध्ये चेंजेस करायचे तिथे तिथे मी अंडरलाईन केलेलं आहे. दोन्ही बाकीचा इतर पार्ट सेम आहे सगळ्या एक्सप्लेनेशनमध्ये. टेट्राड असो, डायड असो, ट्रायड असो. ठीक आहे. The cube is rotated about vertical axis passing through the centers of the two opposite parallel edges. It is seen that in one complete rotation of 360 degree, one complete rotation of 360 degree, there are found to be two positions of the cube. There are found to be two positions of the cube. Two positions of the cube which are identical with its original position, It is called dyad axis of symmetry. It is called dyad axis of symmetry. Second point, in each rotation of 180 degree, brings the cube into its self coincidence position. Then number of tetrad axes are 6. Sorry, कुठला ऍक्सिस आहे हा?
सर डायड म्हणा.
डायड ऍक्सिस. मग तुम्ही काय बोलत नाही, सगळे शांत बसले. म्हटलं नंबर ऑफ डायड ऍक्सिस करेक्शन करायला पाहिजे ना. DIAD. Number of dyad axis is equal to 6. Correct. Number of dyad axis is equal to 6. ठीक आहे. This is second type of axis of symmetry. एकूण किती झाले हो? पहिले किती झाले? टेट्राइडचे किती झाले? how many tetrad axis? 3. डायडचे किती झाले? 6. Okay, right. Third type is triad axis. Third triad, TRIAD, triad axis. Triad axis, right? It is passing through. कोण सांगताय मला सगळे पॉइंट्स ट्रायडचे? Anyone? 36 number, Jankar. Nanish. Triad axis. Huh?
A cube is rotated about its body diagonal. It is seen that in one complete rotation of 360 degree, there are found to be three positions of the cube which are identically with its original position. It is called triad axis of symmetry.
Okay, this is diad axis. हा corner point घेतला आणि हा घेतला. It is passing through along body diagonal. बॉडी डायगोनल पास झाला. याला म्हणतो आपण कुठला ॲक्सिस म्हणतो याला? ट्रायड ॲक्सिस. ओके. आफ्टर रोटेशन थ्रू हाऊ मेनी डिग्री? 360 डिग्री. देअर आर फाउंड टू बी किती पोझिशन्स लिहिले आपण? इथे तिथं 4च्या जागी किती येणार आहे इथं? हाऊ मेनी पोझिशन्स? 3 पोझिशन्स. बरोबर आहे का? इथं कुठला ॲक्सिस येणार आहे हा? विच ॲक्सिस? ट्रायड ॲक्सिस. बरोबर आहे का? ट्रायड ॲक्सिस. Then 3 positions. Then what is changes? Another change.
120 degree.
In each rotation of how many degree?
120 degree.
Instead of 90 here, instead of 90, what will be there?
Number
here?
of triad axes
120 degree. आणि इथं काय येणार आहे? Instead of 3, 4. Okay. Then complete figure first. Draw the figure. Draw this figure for triad axis. Everyone please write your number, roll number in chat box. 56 सुरुवातीला 60 होते, आता 56 राहिलं. 3, 4 left. Okay, then first complete figure and then write first point. A cube is rotated at title triad axis. A cube is rotated about. Cube is rotated about its body diagonal. Cube is rotated about its body diagonal. Cube is rotated about its body diagonal. It is seen that in one complete rotation of 360 degree, one complete rotation of 360 degree, there are found to be, in one complete rotation of 360 degree, there are found to be 3 positions of the cube. 3 positions of the cube which are identical with its original position, it is called triad axis of symmetry. It is called triad axis of symmetry. Triad axis of symmetry. Second point. Okay, first point is over. Yes, it is written or not? Anyone please respond. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second point, in each rotation of 120 degree, in each rotation of 120 degree brings the cube into its self coincidence position. In each rotation of 120 degree brings the cube into its self coincidence position. And last point, number of, इथं काय पाहिजे हो, टेट्रायड झालंय. हा, काय पाहिजे इथं?
Triad.
हा, number of triad axis number of triad axis are किती आहे तो triad axis? 4. Okay. Anyone, what is definition of axis of symmetry? कौन जानता है axis of symmetry? हाँ, axis of symmetry.
Axis symmetry is a line about which the crystal may be rotated such that after a definite angular rotation about this axis, the crystal comes in its congruent position.
Is called as axis of symmetry. There are 3 types of axis of symmetry. First is a tetrad axis. हाँ, this tetrad axis passing through कुठून पास होता है?
Center of two opposite faces.
Center of two opposite faces. After in each rotation of how many degree? Angle?
90 degree.
90 degree. In each rotation of 90 degree brings the cube into its congruent position. And number of axes कितने? How many axes are there?
3.
Okay. Then for diad axis it is passing through
180 degree.
it is
180 degree.
180 degree.
And definition.
Opposite and parallel
Two
edges.
opposite parallel edges.
Okay. Angle up in each rotation of how many degree?
180
degree.
Okay.
180 degree.
Number of axes?
6.
6.
Okay.
6.
Then third type of axis of symmetry is
Triad axis.
it is passing
Triad axis.
along. It's passing along
Body diagonal.
body diagonal of the cube. Okay. After rotation through how many
120
degree?
degree.
120 degree.
20 degree.
Number of axis?
4.
Okay. Total axis of symmetry is
13.
13.
how many MCQs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 MCQs. Huh? इथं झालंय बघा 7 MCQs. Okay. We'll stop it here only. Now we'll end the meeting.
हॅलो सर.
हा,
सर हा धडाच पीपीटी सेंड करा ना.
पाठवतो. ठीक आहे, पाठवतो. आज उद्या पाठवतो तुम्हाला.